What is diversification in a stock market index? So, you got some cash, maybe from an allowance, or that money your grandma gave you for your 7th birthday.
Here you go, sweetie.
Woohoo! Thanks, Grandma! Whatever it is, what are you gonna do with it? Spend it, hide it away, or maybe invest it? Let's start learning how to make that money grow. Time to learn how to be a cash kid. Hey you guys, it's Cash Kid, and you can be one too, and this podcast will help. Today, I'm going to talk about what is diversification. What in the world even is that? Hang tight, the Cash Kid podcast is underway. So, what is diversification? In episode 2, I said that stocks can fall under different categories, like gold, silver, oil, electricity, nuclear power, medicine, books, and even groceries. And there are tons more. Now, diversification simply means the act of becoming more diverse. Like the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Now, in finance, diversification is the practice of spreading your investments around, so that your exposure to any one type of asset is limited. For instance, say if you invest in Apple, a technology company, you might want to diversify and invest in oil instead of setting more money into Apple or setting some in other technology companies like Microsoft, Samsung, or Dell. So basically, you want to diversify where you are investing, because otherwise, if you put all your money into one stock and that company crashes, well, so does all your money. No!
Do you want to increase your company's visibility and brand awareness? Then turn to the video experts at Gradient Media to grow your business. Gradient Media is your full-service video, motion graphics, and animation studio. Gradient works with companies of all sizes to tackle their video marketing needs, from ads, explainer videos, demos, animation videos, and much more. Contact them or check them out online today at gradient.media.
Now it's time to talk about an index. I'm not talking about the index in a book. I'm talking about an index in the stock market. An index is a method to track the performance of a group of stocks. Like I said in the last episode, some indexes are the NASDAQ and the New York Stock Exchange, which you'll hear people call the NYSE, and you can't forget about the S&P 500. Now, an index holds tons of stocks and it combines them into one big index. Indexes are usually pretty expensive. Most are thousands of dollars. The S&P holds 500 of the best years they think are in the stock market. So, if you're looking to start investing, maybe look at some of those companies first. I was told to do this when I first started, and I still invest in some today as we speak. Okay, I feel like that was a lot to process, so we'll stop here for today. Next episode, we'll talk with someone who once was a cash kid himself. Remember, anyone can be a cash kid, you just have to learn how to become one. Cash Kid, out.
The information presented represents the views and opinions of the guest. This podcast does not intend to provide personal investment advice. This content has been made for informational and educational purposes only. To make a full and informed investment decision, we advise you to speak with a financial advisor. And for kids, definitely your parents first before investing.